Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to show Windows Defender in hidden notifications icon. First method is enabling via Startup Settings. Press Windows plus L on your keyboard, then navigate to Apps, then Startup. Find Windows Security notification icon in the list, then toggle the switch on. The second method is enabling via taskbar settings. Click the Start icon, then select Settings. Go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Click Select which icons appear on the taskbar, then scroll to find Windows Security notification icon. All you have to do now is toggle the switch on, and your Windows Security icon should now be visible again in the system tray for quick access. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.